Today in this video we are going to study about the sign convention. It is also known as New Cartesian sign convention, and basically here we use positive and negative sign to measure or to identify the distance of the object or image in the spherical mirror. This is very important for solving the different types of problems related to the light. So here we are using sign convention and it is worldwide accepted, and this is the this is called New Cartesian sign convention. So what we are using here, the basic concept behind it, that we are using the quadrant. So you know that the quadrant, the coordinate system, coordinate plane system, that this is your x, this is your y, this is your x dash and y dash. So in mathematics you already studied about this coordinate planes, that positive, this side is considered as positive, this side consider as negative, this side consider as positive, this y side, and this is considered as negative. So this and this is your origin. So basically we are going to follow this coordinate plane system in this sign to finding the distance between distance and the distance of object and images. So let's see what is sign convention is here. Same as what we used in the coordinate plane, we are using the same here. So that this is the pole and this pole is considered as origin. Consider as origin. So whatever the thing we measured in the right side of the pole, that is considered as positive. Whatever the distance we measured from, every distance, first of all we have to keep in mind that every distance will be measured from this pole, and the distance measured towards this side, this right hand side, right side we consider as positive. And same as the coordinate system, here we whatever the things we measured, this side is considered as positive. Same as from pole, whatever the things we measured from this side, that is considered as positive. So here, and the second thing is that this is x dash, that whatever the things we measured from the pole in the left side, we considered as negative. So this is the origin. So whatever the things we measure towards the right side, it is taken as positive, and the left side is taken as negative. Second thing, this is the object and this is the image. So whatever the object forms, the distance towards upward, so distance upward from the origin is taken as positive, so it is taken as positive. And the downward direction, here the downward, the coordinate plane you are seeing here, from the origin it is downward, same as it is from the origin, that is your downward, it is considered as negative. So see, this is the concave mirror. See how in the concave mirror we consider the object distance and the image distance. So here what the object is here, the light is incident on the plane in the concave mirror, and it is reflecting here from the focus, that is it is focus here. So we are considering here the incident incident light. And one thing we also keep in mind, that we have to keep our object is always in the left hand side. We always keep, in whatever the mirror it is, we will keep the object at left side. So here what is happening here, this is the incident ray is passing here. So incident ray, it is against the pole, this is against the pole, so that is considered as negative. And here the object is upward, then it is considered as positive, and here the image formed is negative, because it is downward of the origin, that is considered as negative. So we can say that in concave mirror the object distance, it is denoted as u, is considered as negative. The object distance is covered here, taken as negative. Image distance, that is v, denoted by v, it is taken as image. Image is also comes in the left side, that is considered as negative. Then height, height of object, height of object, it is upward, so it is considered as positive. And height of image, that is downward, it is considered as negative. So this is the conclusion we get from the sign convention for the concave mirror. Now let's see the second, that is our convex mirror. So what happens in the convex mirror? This is your convex mirror. So we know that this is your x dash, here is your x, okay. So this side is your positive side as the coordinates say, and this is your negative side. This is your positive side, this is your negative side, as the same. So pole, here is your pole, we take pole as the origin point. So here is the object, so object distance, that is your u, is considered as, so object is in a negative quadrant, that will be considered as negative. Image distance, that is v, is considered as positive, because we have to take all the distance from the pole, and pole is considered as origin, and we know that in the origin, in the coordinate planes, that this side is considered as positive. So whatever the things present in the right hand side, that will be positive. Left hand side, that will be negative. Now what happens to the object, height of the object? Height of the object, so height, it is upward, that is considered as positive. And height of image, that is, it is also upward, so we can consider as positive. So this is conclusion for the your sign convention for the convex mirror. So we understood that what is the sign convention. It is basically to assign a sign to measure the distance, and we use this coordinate plane system. So we take the pole as a origin, whatever the things occurs this right hand side, measured the distance, whatever the distance measured from pole, if it covers in the right hand side, it will come as a positive, and left hand side it will consider as a negative. Upward of, that will be considered positive, downward consider as negative. And the second thing we have to keep in mind, that the object always put in the left side of the mirror. Left side means the object should be placed in the left. So some points, that all distance should be measured from pole, all distance measured to the right side of the pole is taken as positive, we discussed, and left side we taken as negative. Object always kept left of the spherical mirror. It is very important, we have to keep the object always kept left of the mirror, and distance measured upward direction positive and downward negative. So we should keep this coordinate system in our mind for doing this sign convention.